It's a kind of gum we've been playing with this morning called Sexlets for men that helps them get in the mood. Now, apparently by chewing 3 pieces a day, you'll improve your energy, endurance, increase in blood flow to the parts that matter, and stamina. And we have some of the gum here. Nick finally is going to give it a try. Javier tried it. It's been over an hour, so while Nick's trying it, let's check in with Javier and see how you feeling.
How you feel, man?
I feel good, maybe more alert, a little bit more of energy, and suddenly, I don't know why, but I love your hair this morning, Marianne. Looks spectacular.
Well, I'm no Tina Makua, but I do try to make it, I am letting it grow a little bit. So you don't feel any, and so literally, do you feel any
No, if I have to be honest, I feel a little bit more of energy. Like when you drink an energy drink, yeah, but I don't feel anything weird.
Okay.
I'm not going to lie to you.
I'm sorry, did you guys say something?
Oh, he's looking at a picture of Scarlett Johansson now. Well, it's an interesting gum. So joining us on the phone this morning is the creator of Sexlets, Tommy Babil. Good morning, Tommy.
Hi, how are you?
We're doing well. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Are you chewing your own gum this morning?
I chew my gum all the time.
You chew it all the time?
Yeah.
It seems like after a while it would sort of, if it has effects, maybe lose the effects. No? Not really?
No. Actually, it makes it better. It's a vitamin. It's like a supplement, so it's an ongoing thing. You take the vitamins every day. I chew my gum every day.
I see.
Like, don't leave home without it. Okay, so what's in this stuff? Because when we read the list of ingredients, I was expecting to see, like, crushed Viagra, but there's half the stuff I can't even pronounce. Damiana leaves,
What's the first one? Some kind of bark?
Yohimbe bark?
It's an all-natural proprietary blend. It's all herbs and all proven to create, stimulate blood flow.
Yeah. And this is all proven, supposedly, right?
Yes.
So why haven't you run it through the FDA?
We don't have to go through the FDA, being a natural supplement. We fall into that category where the FDA, all it requires is GMP certification.
Do you think that people, though, would feel more likely that it was, approved and the claims were real if you had FDA certification?
It would, but it's not a cure. It's not a drug. It's not a medication type thing.
Okay, but you do say that for anybody who uses this, they should get their doctor's approval first, basically?
Absolutely, like any other vitamin or supplement. You should consult your physician prior to taking anything.
Now, it's interesting. It says that it's Sexlets for men, but you have all these warnings here about not taking it if you're pregnant or lactating. What's that all about?
Well, that's all standard stuff. With vitamins, you'll find that in any type of natural supplementation. It's that's part of the law.
So you don't, now, can women take this gum?
Absolutely. Women can take it. It'll give them that feel-good feeling type of thing. But we're actually developing a female version of it.
Oh, you are?
Yes, it should be out, I don't know, 2-3 months down the road.
Got to ask you, how are sales doing?
We just launched the product maybe 5 months ago.
Yeah.
And it's been above expectations, let's put it that way.
Well, but the reason I ask that is because they say in a recession, one of the things that kind of is affected by all that, because it involves money, is sexual drive. That couples don't seem to have private time as much as they used to. So that's why I thought this was came out at a nice time. And I got to tell you, the flavor.
It's peppermint, right? That's what I read on their website. Is it peppermint?
Yeah, basically it's
kind of a pepperminty thing.
It's not bad.
And it's about $11.99, right, for a pack. And how long, if you chew 3 a day, how long will 1 pack last you?
It's a 5-day supply.
A 5-day supply.
Well, there's a weekend in the Bahamas.
There you go.
Well, we are going to link if you're interested in this, and you don't have to be a certain age, right? Can you buy it? Can anyone buy it?
Yeah, we recommend 18 and above, but it's not regulated where children shouldn't be chewing.
You don't have. I didn't see when I went to your website that I had to click on anything, swearing I was at least 18 or anything like that.
It's like any other vitamin or supplement in the market.
Okay, all right, and you can only get it online?
Actually, right now, most of the action is happening online on the website, sexletsgum.com, but we are expanding into the mainstream market. There's plenty of chain stores that are presently carrying it. I know Walgreens is starting to carry it.
Walgreens is carrying it?
Wow.
Yeah, in certain areas. I don't know exactly where they are right now.
Yeah, okay.
But they're definitely out there, and there's plenty of gas stations, markets, convenience stores.
Everywhere. Well, you never know. I guess when the need arises, it's Tommy Babil. Hey, good luck, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Thanks for joining us on the phone today. So, I don't really feel any different right now. Hav, or what's the verdict? Harmless, right? I guess.
It's okay. I need another context. I need another setting, you know, maybe.
It's not that Luis isn't an attractive man, because
right now.
he is.
Oh,
It's not that
on,
at all.
no. Handsome man right here.
He's a very handsome man. It's not
We're
that at all.
working, you know.
He's just not
He
Javier's
says I look better within the last hour or so.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
that's
Well,
true.
well, you did take off your glasses. I noticed that. Well, if you want more info on the gum, we put a link on our website, gooddaysacramento.com, under show information and today's date if you want to check it out.
I was expecting the taste to be kind of, but it's actually not that bad. Not that bad. All right, Mark.